Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and I'm here with a mini Mother's Day shopping Ross Marshalls haul for you all today. But before we get into this video, before I say anything else, if you haven't done this already, just take a quick second, go down below, click that red subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. The club is growing, getting strong. We are so close to the goal of 500 subscribers. And once we reach that goal, then I can do my big giveaway that's gonna have multiple winners, at least 10. And something in this video is gonna be included in the giveaway. So make sure you watch until the very end, okay? So I'm announcing some of the products for the giveaway, but I'm not announcing the rules until I reach 500. And before you all ask, I did record this makeup look. This is a beginner's friendly makeup look. I recorded a tutorial for my beginning makeup honeys who may be a little afraid to start their makeup journey, but Nikea is here for you, okay? So go check out that video and then come back to this one and watch to the end. All right, y'all, so Mother's Day was a couple weeks ago, and I spent Mother's Day with my mom because she graduated with her associates and a diploma and about 3 other certifications, certificates from Craven Community College. I'm so proud of her. And then on Mother's Day, we just kind of hung out and we went shopping, and you know, I bought some things for her, she bought some things for me, so that's our Mother's Day gifts to each other. So I'm going to show you what she bought for me when we went to Ross and to Marshalls down in New Bern. And honey, who knew that the Ross and Marshalls in New Bern was lit and had the things that it had? I'm shocked. The first thing is this shirt, which is a Looney Tunes black crop top, and has Daffy Duck, Bugs Bunny, Tweety Bird, which used to be my favorite cartoon character, and Tasmanian Devil, which was my brother's favorite. And it says, "That's all, folks." And so it's cropped. So it's not super cropped, but you know, if I raise my hands. But if it's down, and I think this was $8.99. You know, I needed some more tops, y'all. So the rest of these shirts are all from the same line. I didn't notice that until I got home, but they're all from this line or brand called On Fire. So this shirt was on sale for $3.99, and it says blessed, and it's just a regular t-shirt. I like the different color sleeve, the yellow, green, and red, and then it has blessed on the back. And you know, I feel like I did a Ross mini haul this time last year as well. Like, my mom took me to Ross for Mother's Day last year. I guess that's our tradition, is to go to Ross for Mother's Day. And then I got this shirt that says homies. So you know, homies chilling with the girls. This shirt was on sale for $3.99. And this next one was on sale for $3.99 as well. And it says sisters. It kind of reminds me of that Friends aesthetic, you know, the Friends t-shirts. But you know, now we got some black women, okay? And it's funny, this one actually looks like somebody I know. This one was $6.99, and this one says Queens. Let's see, I think one person has on a shirt that says got melanin. This one says, has a purse that says being black, and then this one says something melanin matters. It has a drawstring at the bottom, so if you want to crop it out, or if you want to just wear it as a tee, you can. And this next shirt was $6.99, and it says squad. You know, this is me buying all these shirts is me putting into the atmosphere that I'm going to get my sister circle, okay? And I will just have one friend. And they have on shirts that says created with faith, black don't crack, and queen magic. You know, squad. With kind of that look, African kente cloth print. And it has the drawstring on the bottom as well. And then I got this top from Ross, this nice light pink lace top. This one was on sale for $6.99. You can't pass that up. And it has a zipper in the back. So you could just wear this with a nice bra underneath. No t-shirt or like a little bandeau top, you know? So something dressy and sexy. Ooh, that'd be cute with my high-waist white pants. This shirt was $6.49. And I just thought it was a nice kind of dressy top. It could also be casual, it has a little pocket. It's navy with orange polka dots and a button up top in the back. And then I got this duster. This was on sale, $11.99. Black mesh with the kind of muted color florals. It's like 3/4 length. And it actually went with the outfit that I had on the day that we went to the store. I had on a matching set from Fashion Nova. But this is cute, you know. This will also be something that you can wear to the beach or on vacation. But yeah, I loved it. I was like, this is cute, I gotta get it. And my mom was like, get it, I'll get it for you. Thanks, mommy. Also from Ross, I bought my first real bra postpartum. Ah! So this one was $6.99. And it's a convertible bra, so you can wear it strapless, halter top, crisscross, one strap, all of that. And it fits very well. Oh, the last thing I got from Ross is for the giveaway. So I'll save that for last. So then we went to Marshall's. I think my mother was looking for something in particular, but then we went to the makeup section. And this Marshall's makeup section in New Bern, North Carolina is legit. MAC and NARS and ABH and BH Cosmetics, yeah, and probably some other higher end brands that you would not expect to see in a store like that. So the first thing I saw was the Royal Affair palette. This is from BH Cosmetics. They don't even sell this on their website anymore, and I wanted this because I saw Jackie Aina use it, and it's 20 eyeshadow colors. Oh, here was this one, Crown. This beautiful like lime green. This looks so good on black skin. It's just Jackie Aina made it look good. But I love the mix of shimmers and mattes, and we have some neutrals and transition colors, and we have some pops of color, some pink, some blue. It's a good palette, and it has a mirror. And it was only $7.99. I think it retails on their website for probably like 18 to 15 bucks. And then also from Marshall's, y'all, when I saw this, I was fangirling. I wish I could have recorded myself. I was like, oh my God, I gotta get it. I gotta have it. And she was like, how much is it? I'll get it for you. Because I had picked it up and put it back. And like they had it in the little like security thing, so you can't take it because they realize, oh, this is a high-end brand. Need to protect that. So this is the ABH Subculture eyeshadow palette. Y'all, I was so excited, and I don't own like any high-end stuff. Like that's not my thing, and it was only $19.99. This palette retails for 40 bucks. I think it was 42. It's like a velvet outside. It's so soft and luxurious, and a mirror. Still has the plastic on it. I haven't used any of this stuff, and it comes with a little brush, a dual-ended brush, and y'all see it's still in the plastic. And look at these colors. I know this palette is old, and some people may have seen it, and the camera is not doing it justice. Like, can y'all see? Okay, that's a little bit better. I know it's blurry, but this color right here, electric. It's showing up really green on here, but yeah, now you can see like the little flecks. There we go. Now it's doing some justice. Yes, look at that. Got some transition colors, some jewel tones. I feel like this is the perfect like fall tone palette, but I'm gonna use it during any season, okay? And after I got it and showed my mom, she's like, I'm gonna go back and get one for myself. This is my first ABH palette, my first ABH product. Cause y'all know me, I'm affordable homegirl. All right, if you have watched until the end, congratulations. Thank you for making it to the end. This video is gonna be very short. Like I said, this is just a mini haul, and I'm not trying anything on. Yeah. So the last item I got, I saw, and I immediately thought of my followers and my subscribers, everybody who's been supporting me. So I announced I was gonna be doing a giveaway at 500 at the end of last year. So I'm working to get to that goal, and my goal is to get to 500 by the end of June so that I can do this giveaway. And I want y'all to have this stuff. So my favorite things video, of 2018. Go check that out and you'll see some of the items that I'm going to give away. So I did mention some brushes that I really liked, and since I got those brushes from Ross, it's been hard to actually find those specific ones. But when I went to Ross, I saw something that would fit in that category of those favorite brushes from Jasmine LaBelle that I found in Ross at one time. And this actually covers 2 of the items in the giveaway. So whoever wins this, essentially they're getting 2 of my favorite things plus a little bonus. So this is a professional brush bolt, and it comes with 2 bonus sponges. You get a powder brush, contour brush, foundation brush, a shader brush, blending, and an angled brow brush. Plus you get the original blending sponge for them, and you get the mini. So here it is. And this would be a nice brush set for beginners. So any of my followers who are beginners in makeup, definitely want to subscribe and make sure you stay tuned for when I announce the giveaway rules. But I think it's very cute. It's black and rose gold. I can't share the rules with you all until I reach my 500. But yeah, I was thinking of you all. So yep, that is the last thing I got for this, from this shopping haul. So it was a giveaway item for my followers and subscribers. So thank you for sticking to the end, and you got to see what the giveaway item is going to be. That is it for this little mini Mother's Day Ross and Marshall haul. Thank you all so much for watching and tuning in. And if you want to be a part of the giveaway, what am I going to say? Before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. And once I reach 500, I'll be able to share with you all the rules and how to enter the giveaway, and let you all know all of these specific items that I will be giving away to my subscribers. So you do know one rule: you must be subscribed to this channel, because this is a thank you to all of you for your love and support in growing this channel as we continue to reach new goals. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.